Unlock the secret to ageless skin top anti-aging tips. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the best anti-aging skin routine tips and products to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. We all want that healthy glow, and trust me, it's achievable at any age. Just like we take care of our bodies from the inside out, our skin, our largest organ, needs that same love and attention. So, whether you're just starting to see those fine lines or you're a seasoned skincare pro, stick around for my top tips and let's get that youthful glow back. Gentle cleanser, the foundation of youthful skin. First things first, we need to talk about cleansing. You might be thinking, cleansing? That's easy. But hold on, not all cleansers are created equal. You see, as we age, our skin produces less natural oil, which can leave it feeling dry and even more prone to wrinkles. That's why using a harsh cleanser can actually do more harm than good, stripping away those precious oils and leaving your skin feeling tight and irritated. Instead, opt for a gentle cleanser, one that effectively removes makeup and impurities without compromising your skin's natural moisture barrier. Think of it as giving your skin a clean slate without stripping away its natural defenses. Look for cleansers with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. These ingredients attract and hold onto moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. And remember, gentle is key. No need to scrub aggressively. Instead, massage the cleanser onto damp skin in circular motions, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Your skin will thank you for it. Toner balancing act for youthful skin. Okay, so you've gently cleansed your skin and it's feeling fresh and clean. What's next? Toner. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Toner? Isn't that something out of the 80s? Well, let me tell you, toner has come a long way. Gone are the days of harsh, astringent toners that left your skin feeling tight and dry. Today's toners are all about balance and hydration. Think of toner as the bridge between cleansing and the rest of your skincare routine. It helps to remove any last traces of makeup or cleanser while also balancing your skin's pH level. Why is pH balance important? Well, when your skin's pH is balanced, it's better able to absorb all the amazing ingredients in your serums and moisturizers. Plus, it helps to keep your skin's acid mantle intact, which is essential for protecting it from environmental aggressors. Look for toners with soothing ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, or rosewater. These ingredients help to calm and hydrate the skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and balanced. Antioxidant serum, your skin's superhero squad. Now it's time to unleash the power of antioxidants. Think of antioxidants as your skin's very own superhero squad, fighting off those pesky free radicals that can cause premature aging. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage our skin cells, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. They're everywhere too, in pollution, UV rays, even the air we breathe. That's where antioxidants come in. They neutralize those free radicals, protecting your skin from damage and keeping it looking youthful and radiant. It's like giving your skin a protective shield against the elements. Look for serums with potent antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, green tea extract, or resveratrol. These ingredients work together to fight off free radical damage and keep your skin looking its best. Chapter 4. Eye Cream, Brighten and Tighten for a Youthful Gaze. So let's talk about the delicate skin around our eyes. It's thinner, more sensitive, and prone to showing signs of aging first. That's why it deserves some extra TLC. Eye creams are specifically formulated to address the unique needs of this delicate area. They're typically lighter in texture than face creams and packed with ingredients that target fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. Look for eye creams with ingredients like retinol, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and caffeine. Retinol helps to stimulate collagen production, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid plumps up the skin, minimizing the look of fine lines. Peptides help to firm and tighten the skin, while caffeine helps to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Chapter 5. Moisturizer. Hydration is key to ageless skin. No matter your skin type, moisturizer is a must. It's like giving your skin a tall drink of water, keeping it hydrated, plump, and youthful looking. As we age, our skin produces less natural oil, which can lead to dryness, flakiness, and even more pronounced wrinkles. Moisturizer helps to replenish lost moisture, creating a protective barrier that prevents further water loss. Look for moisturizers with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, ceramides, and shea butter. These ingredients attract and hold onto moisture, keeping your skin feeling soft, supple, and hydrated. And don't forget to apply moisturizer to your neck and décolletage. These areas are often neglected, but just as prone to showing signs of aging. Chapter 6. Sunscreen, your skin's best defense against aging. If there's one skincare tip I could give you, it's this. Wear sunscreen every single day, rain or shine. UV rays are one of the biggest culprits of premature aging, causing wrinkles, age spots, and even skin cancer. Think of sunscreen as your skin's personal bodyguard, shielding it from the damaging effects of the sun. It's the single most effective way to protect your skin and keep it looking youthful for years to come. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Broad-spectrum means it protects against both UVA rays, which cause premature aging, and UVB rays, which cause sunburn. Apply sunscreen liberally to all exposed skin 15 to 20 minutes before going outside, and reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Chapter 7. Exfoliator. Reveal brighter, smoother skin. Exfoliation is like giving your skin a mini facial at home. It's the process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin, revealing brighter, smoother, and more youthful-looking skin underneath. As we age, our skin's natural cell turnover process slows down, leading to a buildup of dead skin cells that can make our complexion look dull and uneven. Exfoliation helps to speed up this process, revealing the fresh, radiant skin beneath. There are two main types of exfoliation: chemical and physical. Chemical exfoliators use acids like glycolic acid or lactic acid to dissolve the bonds that hold dead skin cells together. Physical exfoliators use gentle scrubbing particles to physically slough away dead skin cells. Choose the type of exfoliator that best suits your skin type and concerns. Chapter 8. Retinoids, the gold standard of anti-aging. Retinoids are derivatives of vitamin A, and they're considered the gold standard of anti-aging skincare. They work by increasing cell turnover, boosting collagen production, and reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Retinoids can be a bit drying at first, so it's important to start slowly. Begin by using a low concentration of retinol a couple of times a week, and gradually increase the frequency and concentration as your skin tolerates it. It's also crucial to wear sunscreen every day when using retinoids, as they can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these anti-aging skincare tips helpful. Remember, taking care of your skin is an investment, not an expense. By following these tips and incorporating them into your daily routine, you can achieve healthy, youthful-looking skin that radiates from within. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Stay youthful and radiant.